and Greenville Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for East Central Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, South Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near 96, or 7 miles east of Greenwood, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Dyson. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for sturdy or shelter. Otherwise, go to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or place of business. Make sure there are as many walls and floors between you and the outside as possible. To report tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail, or flooding through our automated reporting system, call our toll-free number 1-877-633-6772.